Want me a mouth? Put up me pum pum. Make it tango. Lick, lick, lick.
You know it's your boy DJ Chaddy and I'm back again. People, wagwan. I hope everybody good. I hope everybody alright. If at the first time you check out the Chaddy Murray TV, don't hesitate to hit the subscribe button and turn on post notification. So anytime I upload videos like these, yeah, definitely I gonna be the first to know.
I don't want me a mouth.
The song you're hearing in the background is from dancehall sensation, dancehall superstar, dancehall artist Shenseea featuring the rap stallion Megan. Yeah, Megan the Stallion. Song is entitled Lick, and people, me not tell a lie, this was not the lick that I was anticipated. You know, two hot female artists on a song entitled Lick. I thought they were the one doing the licking. Trick me get trick. Them pull a high shana, equal rights and justice. But people, me not tell a lie. In my opinion, this song is very hot. Not to mention the music video. It's steaming.
Make it tango. Lick, lick, lick. I don't.
Yeah. Chaddy Murray, I'm your biggest fan.
What a vibes.
Chaddy Murray TV.
For all the vlogs and recent update, mailing Chaddy Murray. Bototom, Bush, Yaxter said that.
To be honest, to be very, very honest, me did not expect something different from Shenseea and Megan the Stallion. But then again, the little do I know about Megan the Stallion, are them type of song Megan always do. So when you hear she and Shenseea are a collab, people look out for songs like these. Songs influencing stuff that is taboo to the Jamaican culture. Me can't tell you what me love about this song, and me can't tell you what me hate about this song. Me like the beat. That's the first thing. You see me, it have the pop something there. It have the Megan the Stallion sound there. Not necessarily a Shenseea sound. But then again, Shenseea kind of fuse her Caribbean style in it, her own way. So me like that something there. Me love the music video, people. Me can't really play the music video now. If you go on over Shenseea page, go look, cause you know it go YouTube was flag way and them thing there too much ass and titty outside for play that something there. But me are telling you people, the music video bad, not spontaneous. It just a show a whole heap of ass and titty. Something similar to a blue movie. But we're not talking about that something there. We're not talking about that something there. But people, the very controversial and questionable part in the song where me can't say if me like that part there or me don't like that part there. Another little sample with them, put your back into it, put your back into it. Them sample a old carnival song. For tell you the truth, me don't remember where the song name. But if you wanna stay tuned and watch this video to the end, Shenseea herself I go explain a little part there. Because Shenseea did a live before the actual video went live. Yeah, so Shenseea go on her Instagram and do a live before this lick song was released. And she explained the whole other part there. Not to get too technical. But that put your back into it. Me not sure me like the part the Shenseea. Me don't know if you want to sound original. Then again, it's not original. Cause whole heap of time the song the sample. Up to the other day, a DJ sample a song there. And it kind of go viral on Twitter. Not Twitter, TikTok. Where me get Twitter from? Anyway, that different. Take that out of it. So, me not sure me like the part the Shenseea. And then, me no know. The song kind of alright in a one way, not the licking part, but to how it construct and thing like that. But, you know, it's a controversial song and we live in a numbers game era where you just want controversy. Zane, before Shenseea released this song, Shenseea went on her Instagram live and had 13,000 people watching. And all she have to do was say, yo, hear me I say people, me I drop my new song, go over YouTube, go listen to it. So instantly, Shenseea get 120,000 views already. Minutes before me start do that video here, the 30,000 views in a like 15 minutes. And I don't want nobody come talk about a buy, she buy views. You hear me say? She did have 13,000 people on her Instagram a watch. Before the video start premiere on YouTube, she had a good about 2,000 people waiting for the video for preview. You see me? And when it draw nearer to 12 o'clock, it go up to as much as 10-12,000. So you do the maths. Overall, the song probably get some play, but I don't think it's that hit of a banger. And then that is my opinion. You see me? Because you know them song I go. Sometimes you say them not hit, but money pumping at them and ray. And the song them become so popular. Yeah, hear it so much. It's like it's stuck in your ears. Cause you see that put your back into it part there, it done sell already, you know. So all who don't know that put your back into it, them are gonna know it now. You see me? And because it's not that of a big song, them are gonna know it from Shenseea, especially the international audience. I'm gonna know it from Shenseea. But anyway, let's watch what Shenseea had to say about the song before the song was released.
Stressed. Anyways, I was talking about the sample in Lick, right? So we did a sample. Me washing my panty. We did a sample of Put Your Back in It from Denise, Equinox, and DJ Flex, right? Well, I ended up doing the sample, but I didn't come up with the idea to do the sample. Murder actually came up with the idea. He's a fire-ass producer, by the way. Big up Murder. Produced this fire-ass track. Even though when we're in the studio, he always tries to get me drunk. I mean, I like that one Murder. Murder, him not stop try drunk me off in the studio. I'm not gonna do it with him no more. Anyways, came up with lick and shit. And he originally had the sample in the beat. And then he said that, yo, why don't you try to sing the sample out loud? And I said that, I mean, I never tried it before. Cool, no problem. I think it would be great for like the Caribbean with Jamaican and Trinidadian to like fuse on one. And it will go crazy. So tell me now, before this song comes out in 3 minutes, I just want to tell y'all. Because this is why some Americans don't even fuck with Caribbean people. Because y'all be acting stupid as shit. And that's just the fact. Some of y'all dumb as shit. Right? Why would we end up use a sample from somebody else's song that was done in 2006 or 5 and not clear the song? Like, how does that even make sense, bro? Like, before you guys look at the bigger picture and be like, yo, Shenseea is rapping for Caribbean, boom bam bang, our girl is doing her thing, blah blah blah. Y'all try to say I stole somebody's song. Stop fucking with me. Stop playing with me. Cause that's so stupid. Like, and then Megan is on the song. Why would we risk getting sued? That's all I want to clear up. And it's not something that's bothering me. It's just because I know that people run with this narrative and I'm not about to do it. So I'm about to start clearing shit up from early. Because normally I would be avoiding shit, but I'm not going to do it this year. If I see that it's a need to answer or y'all trying to ruin my reputation or some shit, it's not going to happen. I'm not going to do it with y'all. Not this year, baby. Normally I'll hold my tongue because I don't give a shit. Normally, I'll hold my tongue because I don't care. But come on, when are we gonna stop this shit? It's really just ignorance for real. It's really just ignorance. And guess what? Me not care who want to try to come after me because guess what? 5 years now me in the industry. I walk broad. As you can see, I have a very broad back.
Big up to Shenseea and our broad back. It's your boy DJ Chaddy, and don't forget to check me out on Instagram at I am DJ Chaddy. So that's at I am DJ CHADDY. Don't forget to leave a like on this video and comment in the comment section and let me know what you think about the topics we discussed today. Let me know what you think about Lick. Was it what you expected? It's your boy DJ Chaddy, and a one way and any other way are the wrong way. My God.